Okay, here's a solar cleaning trailer we've done for Teesdale Renewables. Essentially what we've installed in here is a 1,000 litre pure water system. It's made up of two 500 litre tanks. We've got a 4-stage 2,000 gallon per day auto fill and flush filter system on there. Customers opted to have a 5 litre per minute pump and a 20 litre per minute pump. Essentially the bigger pump is going to feed a robot. The smaller pump can feed a normal telescopic pole and brush. We've also added an on-demand diesel or Webasto powered hot water system. So it's the 9 kilowatt version, and that will allow them to run up to 60 or 70 degree water from both lines. This hose reel is removable. It can be connected into the port plate at the back, so they could operate with the doors closed, or that reel could be basically joined on the end of here to create a 100 metre single line. We've also included a 45-foot telescopic pole, and that's basically there to be used to pre-apply some solar cleaning chemicals. So we've got the Solar Wash Protect, and then we're also got the lichen removal agent in there as well. The trailer is a twin axle trailer, comes with a 2,000 kilogram payload. It's a 13 pin hookup point on the tow bar with this particular trailer. So if you're interested in a similar setup to this, feel free to get in contact with us. We can put together an itemised quote for you. We can customise all the equipment for your particular needs. But yeah, essentially this is an ideal system for solar panel cleaning, whether you're cleaning with a robot or whether you're using motorised brushes on the end of a telescopic pole. It's an ideal system for that. We can also install the same equipment into the back of a vehicle, should you not want a trailer itself.